Wing was the first drone delivery company in the US to receive what's called a Part 135 air carrier certificate. So that really kind of opened the door for us to be able to offer this service. And so now we have, extended approvals. We have an environmental approval in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. That marks the first time the FAA has approved an entire metro area for drone delivery. And that's super important because now you can really look at approaching expansion in terms of looking at an area, as opposed to just looking at like one city, for example. We've already been serving customers, like I mentioned before, with our partnership with Walmart in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, basically serving customers in a 6-mile radius from the actual Walmart location. Mm-hmm. But with our recent summary grant from the FAA, this allows us to move beyond what's called the visual line of sight. So this adds to really the momentum of the drone delivery industry at large. And that's why I said to you in the beginning, this truly is the year of the drone.